Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Ronka and I love to talk about travel, career, and general living tips. I took a recent trip to go see the Watergate Hotel, so I'm doing a quick property review for you all to show you the lobby area and the lobby bar area as well. We were able to book this stay using some free night awards from the American Express Platinum card. Overall, I do think the hotel is very nice. You know, it is pretty, it's a pretty nice hotel located in a very nice area near Georgetown in Washington, D.C. They also gave us a little treat box when we arrived, which was cute. So the side view wasn't the greatest. It was just overlooking some office buildings or apartments. But the main view from our room, it did overlook the Potomac River. And so I have a shot when the sun was setting and then another shot during the daytime hours just to show you guys how nice and peaceful this looks. One of the restaurants at the hotel is called the Kingbird. This is actually where we went for breakfast on the 2 days that we had breakfast options. I believe we had a $75 to $80 credit that we could use at Kingbird for breakfast. They do have a sit-down option, but they also have a buffet option as well. We opted to do the sit-down just because the menu seemed a little bit more robust than the options that they had for the buffet. And overall, the breakfast food was pretty good. We also were able to use the credit towards room service. And so we ordered wings and got a little carried away eating our burger before I remembered to record. So overall, the property is pretty nice. It does have a library that overlooks the Kingbird restaurant. There's also the Watergate room itself, which is, what the hotel is named after. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to see it while we were there because there was a private event going on. So outside of the hotel, we of course went to walk around the Georgetown Harbor area and, just doing some DC sightseeing. We also stopped by some pastry shops, including Sprinkles and Georgetown Cupcakes. The line at Georgetown Cupcakes was ridiculous, but I actually did prefer one of the cupcakes from there over the cupcakes from Sprinkles. Next time around, maybe we'll also stop by Baked and Wired. That's all I have for you today. All in all, I did think this was a really nice property with enough amenities and options around if you really, really wanted to make a good stay in DC. Please make sure to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to my channel for more travel, career, and general living tips. See you next time.